is that cold today, guys. I'm gonna tell you, as the Warta River, which is just behind me, starting to be freezing. And also you have a beautiful recreation area here and on the other side where you could enjoy your afternoon or morning coffee perhaps, or tea or drink or other beverages. But it's minus 10 degrees. It's now at 12 o'clock during daytime, it's minus 10 degrees. At morning was minus 16. And where is my brother living is minus 23 actually. So, but I'm not gonna talk about this one, it's just interesting fact. As you can see, this is funny actually, I wave my, this all going into lands. It's very cold. River is start freezing, but it's great weather and beautiful sunny day. And great opportunity to ski something in the city center of Poznan, over there where the sun is facing. There is the place for skiing. So this is what is very interesting actually. And there are snow cannons already who preparing the snow, because there is not much snow, as you can see actually. There's not much snow, but the snow cannon preparing snow, and a lot of people after work, they're gonna come here and they're gonna skiing. So you don't need to go really to the mountains. Either in Poland or either in other countries, you can be in the Poland, in the Poznan, and after work just quickly jump for 1 hour or 2 hours recreation and skiing in the literally in the city center. There is also the Lech beer, the garden, where during the summer you can have a beer and enjoy the river and the fresh breeze. Here closer I'm gonna get little bit. Of course, this is ice, what is not strong enough to walk on the ice, especially on the rivers, is always weaker. But actually, there is so there is water and there is ice. Actually, I will just get little bit. Actually, guys, it's strong enough. Woo! But it's cracking. Oh, I nearly fall down. So, as you can see. Not recommended. Highly don't recommend it to get inside, but you could. And of course, guys, no joke, it's slippery. I nearly fall down. It was even harder because I'm holding the camera. Now I'm gonna show you the place for the ski actually. There's not many people right here right now because it's like 12, but after work people will come. But I already see some taxi actually came and bring some people. So it's cool. I'm not gonna do this because I didn't sort out all my things yet, but one day maybe, or for the weekends or day off, I would like to ski here, especially as you really don't need to go to the mountains. So that's the view of the river. Also there are some other entertainments on the river during the summertime. It's a lot of things. There's the carousel, but everything is open during the summertime. But right here, right now, what is the most important thing is this one, which is super cool. As you can see, everything is prepared. Not too many people yet at 12. But the snow cannons right here, right now, working. Actually, if you come at this time, the whole thing is only for yourself. Actually, it will be lovely to get now on the top and ski for a while. Snow cannons are working hard. The sun is actually on the top of the hill, so it's a little bit harder to make a proper shot. But as you can see, it's actually super cool. And it's like a small place, but it's very enjoyable, especially if you like skiing and you have no time just simply to go to the mountains, or you are not living in the mountains, you can do this. There's entrance, I think it's 15 zł for one ride if you just want to have a single ride, but if you want to do the per hour or something, you can do it. And also there are schools where they can teach you how to ski and everything, and slowly you can see the people coming here, so it's cool. And overall, that's how does it look like. There will be some other roller coaster during the summertime, and the river, a lot of people coming here during the summer. But for the winter, skiing. But this winter, so much to be cold and much to be snow. Even it's minus 10 degrees, somebody is running here or jogging, that doesn't really matter. People just enjoying their spare time and living actively. Whether is it snow or is it cold, it doesn't really matter. Everything is for the people. Yeah, this is like Kolejka Górska, so this is somehow like a mountain roller coaster, some sort of thing like that, but it's closed for now. The lady is jogging here. I will get closer to the river, but maybe without walking on the ice. During the summer, of course, there's a lot of activities here in the ski Malta or Malta Ski. Also on the Warta River, there's the competition every year, and I think Polish championships about the rowing. So you know, that's a lot of active stuff is going on here. Also something here is cool. This is like a place for swimming, I think, dedicated one, because on the other side there is the beach. So this is a special place dedicated for the swimming. There's the beach, and there is something looks like a temple actually around Haushai. As you can see, now it's ice here, but during the summer people swimming here. So this is the beauty of European vibe. 4 seasons, and during the summer it's hot, like a 30 plus. Really, it's very hot recently during the summers. So you can have a little Asian tropics or tropical climate here, and during the winter is winter. If probably will be more ice here, it will be like totally frozen. Will be colder actually for a few days, minus 10, minus 20. And this is something here actually, I don't know what is it, but looks like a kind of temple miniature or some sort of architecture building, but it's made from wood. This is like a miniature, not sure though. And overall there is the beach and everything. Looks like this one, and the rowing starting there and going there, somewhere there, where is the building over there, there's the finish line. Playground for the kids, but it's frozen though, but overall very enjoyable little walk. And the pine trees here, okay, I'm gonna show you from the top perspective. Overall, as you can see from here, you have a lot of things for recreation, places for the sunbathing somehow, places for the activities, for the sports, for the football, for the volleyball. There is also the playground and the place for swimming, everything next to the Warta River. But of course, maybe not during the winter like today. But of course, during the winter is activities as the skiing, and this is actually open all year round. But with the difference as now it's cold and it's snow, so it's better. But during the summer also you can do it. And this is the whole map, what you can find here. As you can see, there is also playground for the small drivers, where you can drive, the skiing, and this mountain thingy, like a kind of roller coaster parking slots, carousel parkings, mini golf, some attractions for the kids, playgrounds, volleyball pitch, many stuff. Very cool. And this is actually a whole list of the places you can translate if you really want. Malta Ski, that's the name of the place. And here basically is another spot where you can watch everything from the higher perspective. River, this is where I started. Ticket office. The mountain thingy doesn't work recently, but the ski place is working, and the snow cannons are in progress. Actually, maybe not many people right here because of this one, but it's open because everything is open, so you could actually do it. Super cool, and also very cold. But it's winter, so must to be cold. Actually, it's winter, so must to be cold, and it's nice actually, as it's minus 10 degrees. It's gonna be only for a few days anyways. It's crispy, fresh air when it's cold like this one. Personally, I prefer like a -5 up to -10 rather than +5 and a little bit rainy and gray sky all day long. So it's cool. Will be even better if will be a little bit more snow everywhere. There is the snow cannons, but they are only on the ski place. But if will be everywhere a little bit of snow, like yesterday was snowing a little bit, but unfortunately not enough, will be even better. Will be perfect. Either way, wanted to show you today this one. Pretty cool stuff, something different. If you watch my very first video from Poznan, you should be familiar with this place, but if you missed somehow, because that was a very long video, so now you know. So if you are in Poznan and would you like to ski in the city center, you can do it. It's pretty cool stuff. I'm not sure in other major cities have it, but Poznan definitely have it, and it's cool. Of course, it will be even better if you go to the mountains somewhere, Polish mountains or Alps, and ski. But let's say if you are working 9 to 5 and you still wanna ski, you can just do it literally every single day, because it's open till 8 or 9 p.m. and there are lights everywhere, so night is no problem. Okay, I'm going back. Have some things to do as always. Thanks so much for watching, listening. Big thumb up, subscribe if you haven't yet. Big thumb up for the making video and walking with the camera and talking when it's minus degrees, because some people never experience that. But actually not bad, but still I think I deserve a big thumb up. Thanks so much for watching, listening. I will see you on next video. See ya, take care.